Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was not steaming and not doing anything with the thermoblock, steam thermoblock, and that was because this connection that you see right here was arcing and it actually came out loose and it burned. Whenever any kind of electronic connections arc, which means it vibrates inside and it's not 100% secure, it will start overheating and it will get burned as you see like this. So we secure that connection and make sure that it's nice and tight. We also check around the thermostats of the steam thermoblock and we check the lines as well. Make sure everything's working the way it's supposed to. And yeah, it is definitely working the way it's supposed to. We're gonna be testing it right now. As you can see, the water pump is pulsating, water is flowing out through the steamer block. And as the thermoblock begins to heat up, we're gonna see some steam building up inside the thermoblock and some steam coming out into the steamer one. As you see right here, you can see nice pressure, excellent temperature, really great steam coming out of the machine. Working excellent, the way it's supposed to. And that was the main issue with the machine, but let's test the machine out by doing an espresso shot. I do not have a cup right now, so we're going to be just using this container right here that we see. Perfect. We're doing the max setting on the max grind on the machine, and we're doing at least 2 ounces of it. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Excellent color as well. Working the way it's supposed to. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica steaming once again. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.